Skippy mused. That is clever and innovative tactical thinking, Williams. Although you would realize it is also a horribly bad idea if you had all the facts.
God dang it, stupid.
Oh my god.
You. Yeah, do it. Come on, bud. Come on. Oh, look at this. Look at this.
What the fuck?
Are you okay, sir? Okay, calm down, please.
Holy shit.
It's okay, there's a kid. Calm down. Calm down.
In the meantime, I'm going to read you off one of my favorite songs, Be Directed for you.
Oh, fuck. Sure.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
Look at him. He's losing control. Look at him. Oh, shit. Yep, see you, buddy. Oh, and I slipped down the hill. I got that one. Here, stop.
Jak jedziesz? No więc to reszta mało interesuje. O! Mamy hamowacza. Dawaj. 2 seconds, Canton, calling police.
Afternoon, Barrick.
Hello, car. I had on motorway guy who brake without reason. What I have to do? Call police?
Well, you've gone on the back of him, haven't you?
Yes, a little bit, not much, but a little bit, yes.
You have to give him. Have you got one of those insurance cards, Lucas?
Right.
Have you got an insurance card? One of ours?
Yeah, can you check camera right now? That was like a minute ago.
Right, well.
No, it's nothing important, but you know, just
It's just when there's only one in the office, I'm trying to deal with 6 things at once. I can do without this happening.
no problem. So what you wanted to do?